Hi, I am Flaminia, and together with Francesco, we are going to tell you what is and what Sottosopra does. Sottosopra is the youth movement for Save the Children. It's a network of young people from the age of 14 to 22. There are 15 different groups in 15 different cities, from North to South Italy. We welcome diversity, making it our strength. Sottosopra builds its work from the Article 12 of the Convention on the Right of the Child. That is that you have the right to give your opinion and for adults to listen and take it seriously. Through listening, dialogue, and sharing point of view, the aims are to spread the voice of young people, to achieve social change, to respect and promote children's rights.
Each group is working actively on specific issue of its territory in partnership with peers and stakeholders, analyzing the thematic that it cares more about. We joined this project to bring our voice on gender-based violence and collaborate with local organizations to analyze this topic.